Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Dunk Crazy Marcus here with, of course, hang on, there she is, Benny Dunk Scooter Sue, and we've got another huge Temu unboxing. Now, before I start, there were 3 packages we've done, like 3 Temu orders. And of course, for some reason, they'd been split up. So, one's arrived, one's here in Spain, which has, for some reason, been delivered to some cafe. God knows why that is, for collection. But the one that's arrived is pretty big, so hopefully everything I've ordered is in it. Hopefully everything's okay. Hopefully no damage, because there's a bit of damage to the package. I'll show you that. It has been ripped. Was it like that when it were delivered? So yeah, I'll show you inside. Can you see? Giving you a little peek. Right, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I maybe like put that there maybe. I'll try open it. Oh. I'll open it from the rip. That'll probably be a bit easier, won't it? So I've got tons of goodies in here. I'm gonna try put that down on the floor actually, then I'll bend down and pick something up. So first one, can you see that, guys? Looks like it could be a piece of clothing. Unfold it, unfold it. Oh, that's nice. Can you see that, guys? Lasted the Summer Wine t-shirt. Got Compo, Clegg, and of course Foggy. Noah! Big Lasted Summer Wine fan, as you well know, probably. Absolute awesome shirt. Dad likes it as well.
Best one of the lot, that, isn't it?
What? Best trio? Yeah.
I think.
Couldn't agree more. When they changed that trio round, like, it just went downhill. Hang on, I'm trying.
Went downhill, but.
Well, yeah, but worked sort of, like, I think when Compo sadly passed away, they did try to replace his character, but didn't work too good. Next up is our first football shirt, and guess what, guys? It's double XL. They got some white.
The other one is?
You got a West Brom shirt?
No. Yeah, why I said that is because for Christmas, Sue and Mike got me a Japan shirt. They said double XL, and for some reason, it's come as an XL.
Just about fits.
Just about fits, yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing what this is. The hell? Okay. Huh. Right, okay. Yeah. So it's like a Japan football shirt. You got like a Oni mask on the front. You have got Japan there. The badge seems to be like, I'm not sure if that is a badge in the corner or whether it's like an eye or something. Can you see that? Does look kinda cool though. Very nice shirt.
White.
There's tons of stuff in this bag though, guys. It's like a big clothing haul as well, so like lots of clothing goods. Next we've got Summit White. I think I know what this one is. Oh yes. Right, no. Is it right? Yes, it is right. It is my second piece of Sightman merch. Can you see that, guys? It's like the same sort of styled shirt you can purchase on the official Sightman website. So pretty pleased with that. I am going to have a look on Temu again later as well. Because what I'm after now is a Sightman FC shirt for the Sightman charity match, which is taking place in April. I'm not sure where they're hosting it though, but going from last year, they had the match at Wembley, so I can only guess they're probably going to want to maybe go bigger, so fingers crossed it's going to be a good one. Another bit of clothing. I think this could be something for Scooter Sue. I don't really know how to show this. Is it for you or what? Yeah, not going to show that because I think it's like women's products. Is it, Sue?
Some clothing.
Women's clothing, yeah. You want to show it or not?
Some tops.
Yeah, some like vest top type things. Are they vest tops?
4, 5, 6, 7 of them.
Are they vest tops or shirts?
The tops.
Tops? They look tiny. No offence, Sue, but are you sure they fit you? They do look a bit tiny. Yeah, as Mike's saying, she'll be squeezed into them. Right, next bit. I'm going for the big main part of this package. What I've been looking forward to. Come on. Actually, no, I'll leave that till last because it's hard to get out. On to the next item. I believe it could be another shirt. Oh, I've seen a glimpse of what it is, guys. My second favourite TV show. Can you see that, guys? It's an LV the Same Pet t-shirt. Got the Magnificent Seven on the front. Of course, Oz, Barry, Neville, Wayne, Moxley and Bomber as well.
Oz, Barry, Wayne, Moxley, Bomber, Neville,
Nev.
and Dennis.
Oh yeah, I forgot Dennis. How could I forget the gaffer? Typical me. Absolutely brilliant shirt, that, guys. See, in camera, show how it looks. That is awesome. Quite good quality as well, so perfect winter shirts for now, probably. Maybe, I think once we finish our Harry Potter watch through, get back onto Harry the Same Pet and wear that shirt.
Got any more t-shirts?
Yeah, I've got tons more. Let me unbox it. Leave.
T-shirt, that's mine.
Something else for Scooter Sue, which I'll pass on to her. another football shirt by the looks of it. I can't wait to see this one. Now, I love my special edition shirts. This one, I believe, is a Japan shirt, I'm guessing. Is it? I'm a bit ashamed with the quality of these, to be fair, because if you look at it, it does kind of look a bit faded, if that's coming up on camera, but I think it's because they're like remakes type thing, like copies, but still not bad quality. Yeah, I'll pass that to Dad, have a look. They aren't bad quality, I will say that, and they have got quite a good selection of like your different footy shirts on there as well.
It's alright, I reckon.
Yeah, Mike says it's alright. Might be the sun. Hang on.
I think it's alright.
Eh? I'm missing stuff, ain't
You're
I?
not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Marcus, was it got idiots on the back?
It ain't. I'm sure I ordered a John Cena shirt, did I not?
1, 2, 3, 4 there.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's right. 8 items. No, you didn't, because there was the John Cena one was coming from a seller. It was going to take ages.
Oh.
So you decided not to get it.
Did I not order something else?
No, just 8 items
Oh,
altogether.
right. So the next item is the biggest one in the package. It's a brand new coat, because I have sadly broke mine. I don't know why it seems to have gone mega tight on me now, and it's ripped, sadly, even though it has lasted pretty well. And I can't open the bag because the zips fell off. Give it here.
You see?
Give it here, man.
Marcus has killed it.
Give it here. I'll work out that right, isn't it? That ain't gonna work. Just give us it here, man.
Man,
Harry.
I'm not a man.
So it is a massive jacket.
Rather weird jacket.
Hopefully you can see that. I think it's reversible as well, from what I remember. Hang on. So I can't unzip it, which is bad. Right, yep. So it's reversible, so you can have like a different design sort of thing. So like, yeah, pretty cool jacket.
Not zip up jacket on the inside.
What?
Not zip up on the inside jacket.
I think it is. Yeah, it is.
Where? They're not.
It is, because you got the...
Outside is, inside isn't.
Eh?
If you reverse it, I mean.
And that's that work. So, yeah. I don't know,
They're only zip up on the green side.
Right, yeah. Yeah, okay, right. Bill.
Try it on. Will it fit him? Got to be surprised. It's a 2XL.
That's comfy.
Will it fit him? He hasn't got his hood up, guys, of course.
I have.
You haven't?
I have. That's got comfy, that.
Think, guys.
Decent sized pockets. Yeah, I like that.
Reversible.
Yep.
Yeah, but you can't have it on the other way round, because apparently there isn't a zip.
Pocket. Zip up pockets. That's all. You can zip it up still.
Oh, right. Yeah, but you ain't got pockets. Hmm?
That's the side you bought it for.
No, I bought it because it looked nice. Like I like me.
Is that side you like?
I like Quick's other side. They're pretty cool.
Have a look at his arm. He can look at himself on his arm. I don't know why he's got a mirror on his arm. He can have a look at himself. What's on your other arm? Nothing. Turn around, show the mouth.
I'm boiling hot here, Mum.
So what do you think, guys?
I'm painted, dear God, it's waterproof.
That looks smart or what? Warm anyway, so. To go out now tonight, isn't it?
What?
Yeah, it's not reversible.
It is.
We will now reverse it and show you this.
Oh, just get that one. Got it. The pocket's on
Okay.
there, yeah, it's reversible.
Are you ready, guys?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Bear with me.
Everything, guys. Not cut
God.
this side. What?
Ah, so like one side's like, yeah, okay, that's
Turn
cool.
around, let's have a look at
That's
that.
cool. So guys, one side's like nice, thick and like windproof, whereas the other side's like more lightweight type thing.
It's still going to be covered, isn't it?
It's on the back, sir.
Got gate 1 wheel wall connected since 1966. Nice length as well.
1966.
Yeah,
So we go in the road putting that in.
I like that.
In England was the road putting that in.
I don't know, I weren't born then, were I? And now I can't get that. Oh crap. Ah, there we are. Thought I was going to have to wear it all day, guys.
So are you happy?
Why I?
Why he's been round with the...
I mean, I did think I ordered some more gear,
No.
but yeah. Anyway, yeah. Pretty cool. I'm well chuffed with that. Be sad to see me hoodie hang like, but that's well nice.
I could sew up your other one if you want.
No? Right.
No.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed that Temu unboxing. Probably the biggest clothes one we've done. So yeah, well please. Some good quality products as well. And as always, I've been Benny Don Crazy Marcus. I'll see you next time.